Come with me today. Yeah, that is right, we've got nothing on the ramp. I've actually got to go out. I'm going to do a little bit of mobile work. I've got a starter motor to fit on a Citroen big van. I don't know what it's called, it's just a Citroen and it's white. We're going to grab some tools together and we're going to go to the job. Well, I've got all the tools in the van, got my tuneroonies on. Luckily we haven't got to go too far, it's probably about a 2-minute drive if that. Right, let's get to the job. Now we got to the job, we've got it jacked up and we have also got some axle stands underneath it. And yes, we are on stones, but we're going to be fine. Before we start doing anything underneath the vehicle, we're going to disconnect the battery. It's literally just underneath a little floor pan by the passenger seat. Now once we're underneath the vehicle, the start motor is relatively easy to get to on these. It's right at the front of the engine. But we just need to remove this little bracket here, so when we take it off, it's going to be able to slide down just a little bit easier. Now once that little bracket there is out of the way, whatever it'll be, around the back here. Now what I've had to do is put the bolts in, because if them bolts drop on them stones with my eyes, I am never ever going to find them. Now what we've done, we've undone the 3 bolts holding the start to the gearbox, and I put them in my little box like so, because like I said, if I drop them, I'm never going to find them on them stones. Now there's a little starter wire around the back of it and a 12-volt live feed which we need to undo. We can get that starter motor out. Now as you can see, I've undone the 2 wires off the starter motor. What we've got to do now is just try and manoeuvre the starter motor out. Oh, I'll tell you what, it's hard work. Holding the camera in one hand and moving it out with the other. And there we go, that is one starter motor out. And there you have it, we've got the brand new Bosch now out of the box. We're going to compare it against the old one just to make sure it's correct and everything's lining up as it should do. I don't know if I'm made out for this bloody mobile mechanic and like. So I'd have a 6-pack in about a week, up and down. Oh, do my head in. And there we go, with a little bit of magic, that starter motor now is fitted back to the vehicle. I have got to put this little bracket back on here, which is there. It'll take me a couple of seconds, and we can get in the vehicle and give it a big starter-rooney. But before we get on the key, we're going to connect the battery back up, make sure it's nice and secure, and clicked into place. We can get on the key. Right, let's give it a big start. Give it a little bit of heat because it is a little bit chilly. Beautiful. Now once I'm happy that the vehicle is started, I'm going to get my 601 Max now, and we're just going to do a quick diagnostics of the vehicle. This has got a now let me show you. Come on, an AdBlue fault, which I have got somebody coming out to do an AdBlue solution for it. But there we go, we've got no fault codes on the vehicle now, and it starts up absolutely perfect. Something a little bit different, me going out to the workshop for a change, but anyway, let's get it sent.